Precision Camshafts is second largest manufacturer of passenger car camshafts in the world. We have a turnover of around 650 crore rupees and we are listed in National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. Precision Camshafts caters to most of the passenger car manufacturers in the world. We do cam grinding, which requires a neat and clean pressurized coolant. In our domestic unit, we used to use standalone coolant systems where there was a space requirement was huge. When we changed over to centralized coolant system, the space requirement has reduced. Entire machine shop looks neat and clean because you cannot see any coolant on the spillage, etc. on the floor, and power consumption is less. Overall, we have lot of benefits from the centralized coolant system.
सिस्टममुळे कंपनीमध्ये फिल्टरेशन सिस्टमचा हा खूप फायदा आहे की मशीनमध्ये लिकेज कुठलं होत नाही. दुसरी गोष्ट कूलंट एकदम फिल्टर होऊन मिळते. टूलिंगचं जे टूल्स आहेत त्याचं लाईफ वाढते. ग्राइंडिंग मशीनचे व्हील्स कंझम्पशन होतात. तिसरी गोष्ट जे फिल्टर मिळतं, जे कूलंट मिळतं तुम्हाला ते हाय प्रेशरने मिळतं. त्या प्रत्येक मशीनसाठी सेपरेट कूलंटचं मेंटेनन्स करायचं, तो मेंटेनन्स खर्च वाचला आणि मेंटेनन्सची वेळही वाचली. टॉप फ्लोअरला त्या एका मशीनमुळे जे लिकेज होत होतं ते लिकेज पूर्णपणे बंद झालेलं आहे. त्यामुळे मेंटेनन्स आम्ही व्यवस्थित शॉप फ्लोअरमध्ये व्यवस्थित करू शकतो आणि शॉप फ्लोअर स्वच्छ ठेवू शकतो.
And we are using this Virja centralized coolant system from last 8 years, and the MTBF of this Virja coolant system is very high, and till date we had not faced any major issue with this system.
Coolant life in the standalone systems was around 5 to 6 months, but here in last 8 years we have never changed the coolant. Only we are doing topping up of the oil, cutting oil and water. There are a lot of concerns in people's mind regarding centralized coolant system, because if it fails, the entire shop will close down. But we have never faced this type of problem, and that's the reason from one system we have gone to around 3 systems of varying capacities.